Image processing and machine learning are interesting and trending domains of the present era. Enhancing the resolution of imaging systems also sounds interesting, and this can be achieved by the above mentioned domains. And this is exactly what our project does. So presenting super resolution, which is presented by Kavya Venugopalan, Mamita Muralidharan, and Riya Viraj. Super resolution is the process of upscaling or improving the details within an image. In this project, we aim at implementing the concept of RRDB without batch normalization. We also use the idea of relativistic GAN to do the project. Generally, most SR algorithms face a challenge in improving the overall perceptual quality of an image. The main problem with low resolution images are that the image quality will be less than ideal. The image quality may range from somewhat poor to extremely poor, and jagged or improper edges may also be present throughout the image. This problem can be solved using ESAGAN or Enhanced Super Resolution Generative Adversarial Network. Using this method, the batch normalization is removed from the RRDB and this network is used as the basic structure. To enhance the visual quality of an image, mainly three components are taken and studied. The components are network architecture, adversarial loss, and perceptual loss. Enhanced ES again helps the generator recover more realistic texture details. The basic network used in the project are ResNets, or residual networks. The peculiar feature of ResNets are that it consists of many skip connections. These skip connections enhance the performance of the network such that the training of the model becomes very effective. The basic block of residual networks are called residual blocks, and they consist of layers such as convolution layers, BN layers, that is batch normalization layers, and activation function, that is RELU. So for our project, we remove the BN layers. Hence, a residual block will basically contain convolution layers and the activation function. These basic blocks, when together put with skip connections, will give us a dense block. And these dense blocks are put together to form RRDB. And this RRDB is used for our project. GAN is a training methodology which consists of a generator and a discriminator. The HR image or high resolution image is downsampled to produce an LR image. This LR image is given to the generator. The generator randomly upscales some features of the image and gives to the discriminator. The discriminator then compares the generated HR image and the original image and says whether the image is real or fake. The relativistic discriminator predicts how much realistic is the image generated by the generator to that of the original image. In the equation given in the diagram, sigma is sigmoid function, C is non-transformed discriminator output, and E is the average of all the fake data in the mini batch. To improve the perceptual loss, the VGG features are applied before the activation is proposed. Using features after activation causes inconsistent reconstructed brightness compared with the ground truth image. ESAGAN is an algorithm used to improve the details within an image. This can be applied to videos also, as videos are a collection of images or frames. Before applying a video to the ESAGAN model, we have to make it ready using the FAST algorithm. The whole process is shown as a flowchart. First, the input LR video is compressed using FFmpeg. Then it is encoded using H.265 codec. The whole video is then split into n frames. Each frame is then applied into the ESAGAN model. After all the images or frames are super resoluted, it is combined back into a video. The implementation process consists of applying FAST algorithm to the input video, converting the video files into frames, creating the ESAGAN model, training and testing of the model, then converting the obtained high resolution frames into a video file. The training of the model is divided into two phases. First, the PSNR-oriented model is trained. After that, the generator model is trained. For training, the DIF2K dataset, which consists of 800 images, are used. Flickr 2K dataset is also used. Using this large datasets with richer texture helps the generator to produce more natural results. After training the model with 1000K iterations, the model was ready for testing. After the process of testing, it was found out that the output frames were of 4 times higher resolution than the input frame. As you can see, the input video had dimension of 700 into 500. This video was input into the ESRGAN model. After applying the input video into the ESRGAN model, we obtained an output video which had dimension of 2800 into 2000, which is approximately 4 times more resoluted than the input video. Comparing with other neural network models, it is said that ESRGAN is a very effective way to remove unwanted artifacts. Here, RRDB is used for generating a model that reconstructs a super resolved image from a low resolution image. FAST framework has been added to the ESRGAN to accelerate the SR algorithm so that its application becomes more efficient for videos.